Can I get some? Who wanna get it? Let me get some. Come and get it. Can I get it? First come, first serve. Let me get some. First come, first serve. Can I get it? Who wanna get it? Can I get it? Come and get it.
Shatter glass transitions for After Effects. Here in the project window, you have three folders: landscape, portrait, and square aspect ratio of the same identical transition. In our exam, we will use a landscape transition. Drag and drop the desired transition and align the marker, this transition marker, in between your two clips. Select this star, always rasterize button, here on the transition. Your transition is now ready. You can have some adjustments here. Double click the transition and select the blue color layer named Controls. Drop a clip, select the blue color layer and make those adjustments. This is the blur. The blur is adjusted out of this mask area. Then is the scale. The scale is adjusted inside those selected masks, as you see here. And finally the rotation. Again, the rotation is adjusted in these masked areas. Of course, you can create your own masks and make your own adjustments. I hope you enjoy working with these Shatter glass transitions for After Effects and make great promos. Thanks for watching.